0 to 60. 3, 2, 1, go!
Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. As you can see, after the repair, my skateboard started to drive much better, so I want to spend the time to show everybody how to repair the wheel on a Swagtron Swagboard. This skateboard is available on Amazon for like 150 bucks or something, and this is my first electric skateboard. Also the only electric skateboard I have right now, and it uses hub motor, one single hub motor, which is not really the best motor to choose, but I chose it. And here's an attempt. I put electrical tape around the wheel, and that didn't go too well. The electrical tape just burned up, and yeah, look at that video there. So the problem is, after maybe 2 years of riding, the rubber is mostly worn out and the wheel starts to expand and it deforms, so it's not a circular wheel anymore. And what I try to do is fill in that gap with some foam. As you can see here, the slow motion shows the foam sticking on there. And I used hot glue this time. Didn't work too well either. As you can see, the wheel is deformed. It's not circular, and the skateboard is just bouncing up and down. This picture shows a wheel with duct tape on it. That didn't work so well. So finally, how did I do this? I bought this wheel on eBay, as you can see right here. I'll link this in the description. This wheel fits perfectly. Just make sure you select 70 millimeters and orange or black. I guess it's your choice. I chose orange since my other wheels were all orange. And here's a replace on there. It's really easy. You just got to remove the 3 screws on top of the hub motor, outside to the left side nut, 3 screws, and you can just take off that metal piece, slide off the old rubber piece, the worn out one, and just replace it on there. And this wheel burns up pretty fast, so in general I would think you should get a belt driven so you can switch the wheel much faster than replacing the whole rubber piece. Well, there you have it. Thanks for watching.